This is Eddie Gabor from Key Advisors Group with a November 2015 Educational Economic Update. In this video, we'll talk about some of the economic events that influenced markets last month and give you some insight into what they might mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. October was generally a good month for stocks as they recovered some of the ground after a turbulent September. Let's take a look at a few of last month's major events. Third quarter earnings season kicked off in October, and the news is pretty lackluster. Out of the 253 companies that had reported from the S&P, profits were just up 2.4%, while revenues were down by 1.4% over the third quarter. What does this tell us? Well, it tells us that U.S. companies are still dealing with a lot of headwinds from issues like weak global growth, a strong dollar, and volatile oil prices. Now keep in mind that these are overall results. If we exclude the struggling energy sector, total earnings would be about 4.7% on 1.3% higher in revenue. There are a lot of individual success stories from companies that have achieved great results despite all of these challenges. As a financial professional, our job is to help our clients find the success stories. In other news, the Federal Reserve's Open Market Committee met again in October and surprised no one when they voted to hold rates stable. However, the official statement told investors to hold on to their hats because a rate hike might come as early as December if the economy stays strong. But our first look at the third quarter economic growth showed that GDP grew at just 1.5%. Now this is just a preliminary report, and economists will revise the data several more times. However, we can see that growth has slowed sharply as U.S. businesses cut back on restocking their warehouses. Will weak growth cause the Fed to hold back our rate hike this year? It's very possible. However, many economists expect growth to pick up in the fourth quarter, given the underlying strength in the U.S. economy. So it could come down to a coin toss on whether or not the Fed will raise rates or not. We'll keep you updated. That's it for our November Educational Economic Update. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please give our office a call at 302-645-4530. Once again, this is Eddie Gabor with Key Advisors Group, signing off for the month of November 2015. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call. We'd be more than happy to talk to you. Thank you.